The Donald Trump legal saga continues, and so does Trump's blatant violation of the court-issued gag order. By defying the gag order, Trump is subverting the very essence of justice and accountability. His actions represent a flagrant disregard for the norms that uphold the integrity of our legal system, a system designed to ensure that no one, not even a former president, is above the law. This is typical Donald Trump behavior, undermining the institutions that safeguard our democracy. His relentless pursuit of personal interest over the common good is eroding public trust and sets a dangerous precedent for future leaders. When he's not violating the gag order, his team is working hard to try to get rid of it completely. His attempt to appeal it is not just a legal issue, it's also Trump finding a way to get around the rules just like usual. Throughout the hush money trial, Trump has mocked witnesses who know all about his dirty little tricks, and he's even attacked the judge multiple times by calling him corrupt. Judges are expected to be impartial and make decisions based on the law and evidence presented before them, and every time Trump whines about the mess he created, he tries to cast doubt on the judge and the justice system's credibility. His inner circle has acted like little shadows by doing the exact same thing every chance they get. After violating the gag order again and again, his team has the audacity to challenge it. That is nothing but an attempt to manipulate the narrative, evade scrutiny, and avoid consequences for his actions. But the days of Donald Trump getting everything he wants are coming to an end.
There is some new developments that just came through outside of court, but related to this case. The New York Appeals Court has now rejected Trump's team's appeal of the gag orders that have been imposed on him in this case. Of course, he's already been found in violation of that gag order, the partial gag order, 10 times.
Unable to counter the testimonies of individuals like Stormy Daniels and Michael Cohen in the public eye, Trump's call for the gag order's removal fell on deaf ears. The court denying Trump's plea to lift the gag order, citing the crucial need to protect the integrity of the trial and shield witnesses from intimidation and harm, is a bold move that reaffirms the principles of justice and fairness. This ruling marks a significant victory for the rule of law over Trump's attempts to subvert it for personal gain. We saw Michael Cohen's testimony be discredited before he could even take the stand, but that was overshadowed by the evidence he provided about Trump's behind-the-scenes schemes. It was clear why Trump's team worked so hard to discredit his testimony when Cohen revealed Trump's intricate web of hush money payments. Trump's insistence that the gag order prevents him from defending himself is bullcrap. If Trump wants to defend himself, he can. He could take the stand and do so. But we all know what would come out of his own mouth would have more power to put him behind bars than any testimony from any witness. In this ever-evolving narrative, the recurrent theme of defiance and disregard for legal constraints continue to paint a picture of a man determined to operate beyond the bounds of accountability. Trump's persistent flouting of the court-issued gag order not only shows his disdain for the judicial process, but also serves as a stark reminder of his belief in his perceived supremacy. As we witness this legal chapter unfold, it becomes increasingly clear that Trump's actions are not merely isolated incidents, but symptomatic of a larger erosion of ethical standards and respect for the rule of law. This is no witch hunt. Why can't he accept that, just like everyone else, there are rules he must follow? It is time to accept the court's decision and let the trial continue without any more camera stunts or wild card attempts to cover up his wrongdoings.